Winter is just around the corner. And what are you still doing with those all-season tires? Winter tires are mandatory on British Columbia highways during the winter months. So, if you do have winter tires, you'll stop here. But if you're still driving on regular tires, your stopping distance increases by 50%. You'll lose control of your vehicle and become a hazard to yourself and others. Oh, we're here. Winter tires are manufactured using a special rubber compound that can remain flexible even at a temperature dip below 7 degrees. Its treads consist of deep grooves, and the pattern design helps to grip snow, slush, and ice. All of this adds up to better grip and traction on snow and ice, superior braking, and a safe drive. So do you still think it's a good idea to save a few bucks and stick with all-season tires? It's not worth it. Get your winter tires installed at your local Dilawri dealership for a safe and worry-free winter season. We guarantee to offer you the best price on the market alongside lifetime road hazard replacement and 2-year roadside assistance. Contact your service or parts provider for more details.